Mastering the Art of Small Business Budgeting, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to this guide where we'll explore how to create a sustainable budget for your small business. It's not about restricting spending, but rather a strategic plan for your financial growth. First, let's understand your income sources. Detail every revenue stream your business has, from product sales to freelance services. This is your budget's foundation, and it's vital to be comprehensive and accurate. Next, identify your fixed costs. These are expenses that remain constant month after month, like rent, utilities, and salaries. No budget is complete without these considerations, but remember, some can be negotiated to save funds. Now, onto variable expenses, costs that fluctuate each month, like marketing campaigns, raw materials, or seasonal expenses. These need special attention as they can be cut down or ramped up based on your business needs. Don't forget about one-time spends. These could be things like purchasing a new piece of equipment or attending a trade show. Though not a regular expense, they can significantly impact your budget and need to be planned. A key aspect often overlooked is a contingency fund, a safety net for unforeseen expenses or financial emergencies. It's crucial to allocate a portion of your budget to this fund to ensure financial security. Now that you've laid out income, fixed and variable expenses, one-time spends, and a contingency fund, it's time to create your budget. Use tools or software to help track and analyze your finances. Lastly, review and adjust your budget periodically. No budget is set in stone, it needs to evolve with your business. Regular check-ins on your budget can help identify what's working and where changes are needed. Congratulations, you're now equipped to create a budget that can steer your small business towards financial success. May this guide pave the way for your prosperous journey.